Hi, in this video I want to show how you can use documentation of a video stored in Confluence in order to find out how to use some functions of a video, some models of a video, even add-ons, and there are actually a lot of information on the left side with the quick links, but generally just use this search function, for example, newsletter, if I want to find something about that. So here is two links, for example, this. In this link there are SEO option, affiliate program, so general explanation about general features available in the video. There is no actual explanation, but links to that. You can also try another link, okay, at the manager. Here is explanation about manager. So here is a plenty of information, and it can be listed. It's a tree about multiple articles, and with the search function on top of it. Yeah, and if I go to the first link, here is directing to our demo website. There will be a login form in the beginning, but I log it in already. And you should choose customer performance webmaster or manager first to send newsletters. So for example, you want to, I don't know, send message to performers. So you click on performance, you can select someone, I don't know, you can list by, for example, filter by registration date. If you want to bring latest registrations, so we can see there are a few links. I choose those two because last one it has incomplete registration. Actually, I can add this one as well. So if it's not completed, for example, I can select them and mail to check performers. So here I can choose, I can see this one performer selected. I can choose some subject, please complete registration, and put some message, hi, and I can put a name of person. Actually, screen name is better to use. It's not login name, it's a screen name. And hi, please complete registration in order to start using our service and earn money. Let me know if you have any questions, and so on. So you can put a long message, ask questions, communicate with your audience, and it can be applied also to customers or managers or whatever you want to use. So it's on the left side. I can go back to for example, performers, manage performers. I can choose someone else, I don't know. I can filter all users who didn't complete the account, actually only one. But anyway, just to show how it works, I can choose another person, click mail to check performers, and now I have two here. So I can filter multiple times, combine them all into common asset, and then send the message. So that's how it works in general.